at this moment that he knew.
Black leather glove, no sequins. Yeah, buckles on jacket, crossbody, gotta dance.
Good afternoon or good morning. I'm Trooper Doc.
Yes, sir. I was
slowed down to 92.
Yes, sir. I know. When I was in that right lane, there was a Kia Altima stop because I was passing, and I had to get over in the shoulder to keep from hitting that Kia Altima. But I know I was speeding.
I can see your driver's license, please.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate you stopping right away.
Yes, sir. I know it was me. I was like, oh, he got me.
Well, my partner there said, "Holy mackerel, look at that blue car." And the third time I hit you, it was down to 92.
I know I was doing bad.
You have your insurance as well?
Yes, sir. Let me pull it up.
I'll just check the date when I come back.
Yes, sir.
There was a date on there near the top. Okay, that's fine, sir. I'm not going to give you legal advice. I'm just going to let you know that at your age, your insurance is outrageous because you're a young guy. Points aren't good. Option 4 and 5 can keep points off your license. Take a little safety class online, or you or representative can always set a court date. We've had one prior speed, which was a big one. I don't know how that affected your insurance, but start getting more. But option 4 can definitely keep points off your license. Option 5 is a court date for you or a representative. You can always ask for some leniency. They usually withhold points, and other than that speed, I don't think there was anything else on your record in 7 years. So please slow down.
Yes, sir.
And beautiful car. You may be an excellent driver, but grandma cuts you off. Deer comes out.
Altima slowed down.
Altima slow down. A tire blow.
Yeah.
You know you're dead. 30 days, take care of this. If you have any questions, I highlighted a phone number you can call, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for
careful merging in.
Thank you for being like so, Thank you, man.
No problem.
All right, have a good day.
See you later.
All right.